Hey guys, welcome to my junk in the trunk. Every time I buy something off Marketplace and I go pick it up, I call it junk in my trunk because it's someone else's junk and I'm gonna make it into something good in my home. I needed a new dresser for my daughter's room. We're in the process of redoing it because she had a lot of outdated stuff, way too many clothes, so I needed to get a huge dresser for her. I just feel like the quality nowadays is junk. Like they're made small and they're made cheaply and they're like 3 times as much. So figure if I can find something that's old and it's still in good condition, then it's probably going to hold up to what we're going to put it through. First things I do when I get my junk home is definitely clean it because you don't know what's already on it. There's oils or anything that's going to repel paint, but obviously I wanted to redo this and paint it. My favorite go-to is chalk paint because I'm lazy and I hate to strip product or take old paint off, or I hate priming because it takes too long. I just want to do it and get it done. I go in with my regular chalk paint, put that on. I think I put 3 coats of the white, but then I knew I wanted to have a pop to it because it's a little girl's room and we have this picture that's Breakfast at Tiffany's inspiration that has that Tiffany blue. So I decided to paint the drawers just that blue. I was going to buy new knobs, but man, they're expensive. So then I just decided to spray paint the knobs that I had, and the best way I find to do this is literally anchor them into like a box and then go spray paint them. Super easy, keeps them all in place. I can do as many coats and I can get a 360 view of the paint on the knob itself. Once I put those on, I'm pretty much done. Super easy. Like and subscribe if you want to see her total room makeover once we're done with that. I'm still in the process of doing a few of the little things here and there, but I hope you guys have an awesome day.